Hello everyone, how to change range value depends upon the steps like this. Yeah, let's start. Here I already created a React project and also I'm running this project, and I'm going to use this classes starting from 1 to 3, and I'm using assign color, and here I used various colors and I imported that class here. I'm going to create the input and type as range, and minimum value is 0 and max is 30, and step okay, yes 10. I'm going to get the on change value, and I'm passing event here, and passing here. Copy this and paste it here, const, and get the event value here, and first I console the e dot target, okay, dot value. Save this and go to browser and to console. Here I refresh, and now it's 0, now it's 10. Yeah, we have range value. Now I'm going to change the range color, depends upon the steps. Before that I need to set the on change value in one state, so I'm going to create a state here, val and set val and use state, okay. Initially it's 0, and I'm going to copy this, and after that I'm going to pass the e dot target dot value, and I'm going to copy this here. I'm going to create a class, and yeah, here if val is equal to 10 means I'm going to display class 1, okay. Else value, here I am using ternary operator with else if, okay. Here value is 20 means I'm going to display 2, else I'm going to display 3, class 3, okay. And save this, go to browser, and if I refresh, here it's always in the end, I need to start from 0, so I'm going to add a value here, sorry, here I'm going to pass the this on change value, okay, paste it here. Now it's starting from 0, why it's showing error? Yeah, now it's clear, and I'm going to display the value here, val, and yeah, I'm going to cut this, I'm going to put this in h1 tag, and after that I'm going to add a break here, save this. Yeah, if I refresh, that's fine. If I click range, its color is also changed. We have 20 and it's green color, now it's yellow, okay. Yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.